Hey Amanda, I've heard clients raving about our instant offer program. Could you share how it benefits homeowners who are looking to sell quickly?
Absolutely, Allie. Our instant offer program is tailored to provide homeowners with a smooth and hassle-free selling experience. When a homeowner entrusts us with their property, we reciprocate with an immediate cash offer. This eliminates any delays or uncertainties that often come with the traditional selling methods.
That sounds really great. How quickly can homeowners expect to receive an offer from us once contacting us?
That's a great question. And typically, we're able to present homeowners with a cash offer within a short time frame, sometimes within just a few days of evaluating the property, that is. This speed is crucial for homeowners who are eager to move forward swiftly without any prolonged waiting periods.
What about the condition of the property? I know that some homeowners may be concerned that their home's condition will affect the offer that they receive from us.
That is also a very common concern, Allie, and the beauty of our program is that we accept homes in various conditions. Whether a property needs some minor touch-ups or some significant renovations, we still provide a competitive cash offer. And this flexibility is reassuring for our homeowners who may have concerns about the condition of their property.
Transparency is key in any transaction. Can you explain the back-end process, especially regarding costs and fees?
Absolutely. Transparency is indeed one of the cornerstones of our program. We make sure to clearly outline all costs and fees up front, ensuring that homeowners have a full understanding of what to expect throughout the whole selling process. There's no hidden fees or surprises, which fosters trust and confidence among our clients.
What if a homeowner is hesitant about committing to selling right away? Is there any pressure for them to proceed once they've reached out to us?
That's a valid concern, Allie. We want homeowners to feel comfortable reaching out to us for information without any obligation to move forward. Simply having a conversation with us does not mean that they have to use our services. However, after learning about the benefits of our program and experiencing our commitment to seamless selling processes, many homeowners find it's compelling to proceed with us.
It's great to know that homeowners have the freedom to explore their options without feeling pressured. Overall, I believe that our instant offer program provides a lot of peace of mind and convenience for our home sellers.
Absolutely, Allie. Our program is designed to offer homeowners peace of mind, convenience, and a worry-free selling experience. Selling a home is a significant decision, and we're dedicated to making it as effortless and rewarding as possible for our clients.
Thank you, Amanda, for sharing such valuable insights about our program. I can see why it's so attractive to homeowners looking for a smooth selling process.
My pleasure, Allie. If you have any more questions, or if homeowners want to learn more, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help make their selling journey a successful and enjoyable one.